Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al, and I got something pretty freaking special in the vise this time around. It is a challenge lock, and it's from Chris Capune. I hope I'm saying that right, buddy. Capune, I think it's right. It's very special because it's number one. It's his first challenge lock. I got a note with it, and he also sent me a lock for the collection up there, which is already hanging up with your name on it, bud. And I got to tell you, it's quite the honor, man, when somebody sends you, I think it is, their first challenge lock they ever made. And it's got a key tag right here that says the CC for Chris Capune, number one, pinned August 16th, 18. And it's pretty badass. There's the bidding on the key. Pretty wicked. I mean, that's definitely, he's definitely on the right track. It does work like butter. It's stopping on the vise back here, so it'll only turn that much, but you get the idea. I have picked it, and I got to tell you, Schlegs are my favorite type of keyway, but this one here has made me changed up my picking style on Schlegs. I got to tell you, man, it's wicked, I guess is the best word I can choose for it. So let's see if we can't get into this thing and see what he's got inside, because I got to tell you, I'm gonna start the timer back here just for the hell of it. Alright, so yeah, usually I go with one of my sparrows. I guess it'd be a short hook, and I drop that little toothpick or shotgun in the bottom and you know, go at it from the angle like this, but not this sucker, and not with bidding like that. So what I'm having to do is use the Peterson gem and then the SS Dev high hook, or steep hook, whatever it's called. So let's see if we can't do this again. Cause yeah, this thing, I mean, it's badass, buddy. If this is your first challenge lock, you are on the right track. Flat out. All right, let's see if I can get something going here. Okay, got a little bit. I think that was 4. A little bit, I think, off of 2. One. Yep, 1. Yeah, this thing's a freaking beast, man. Okay, I had a little counter there, but we got it set, I think. Okay, 1, had a little bit more off of 1. 2, 3, 4. Okay, counter right here again. I think it's, I want to say it's 3, but okay, there we go. Now we got a nice turn on the core. Nice turn. Alright, 1. So we're getting counter right here. Gotta go for it. No, that was a bad idea. Let it drop. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me go with the high hook now from the SS Devs. Let's see what we can do. It's hard to stay under them pins with that little sucker too, I can tell you that much. Counter. There we go. Nice. Now we got some nice deep fall set. See if we can send this sucker home. Trying to get under the pins, which is a task in itself. 6, 5. And stay under it. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Absolutely freaking fantastic. Okay, let's get backed out. We're just stuck on the vise. I'll show you in a second here. Let's get this out of there. Keep it where it's at. There we go. Awesome. Open fair and square. Bada boom, bada bing. That was freaking badass, Chris, for your first challenge lock. Hats off to you. You're on the right track. I can tell you that. Badass. Okay, let's see. Where are we at? Bada boom, bada bang. We can come in a little bit, I guess. Turn the camera some. Alright, let's see. Like I said, we're very much open. We do got a key so we can lock it back up. Get these screws off the back here. Yeah, buddy. That was freaking awesome. He sent me a very nice lock too for the collection up there. Very generous. It's already up there with a name tag on it. Very, very kind. Okay, key in. A little rotation. See if we can get a shim in this bad boy. Ooh, that's pretty tight. Yeah. We might be in trouble. Okay. Alright, somewhat. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright. See, it did have a, it's got freaking 7 holes in that sucker. 7 pin. The only one I've ever seen like that before was on that 7 pin, and I have one, the 7 pin Ultimate Adversary. Other than that, I've never seen one before that I can recall, but it is pinned to 6. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Alright, and they all needed picking. Let's see what we got. Standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3. It may just been just pinned up with the crazy highs and lows. I mean, that is a challenge in itself. Whoops, this one's 6. These are all standard pins. Let's see, get some eyes on. Bada boom, bada bing. I don't see no mods. No mods in the core. Nothing going on in there. Nothing at all. Alright, let's see. Let's see if there's any magic in the pins. Like I said, it may have just been just counting on the crazy highs and lows. I don't know. Let's see what we got. Nope. See some magic already. Alright, we got a barrel pin, I think they're called, a number 1. We'll get a close-up on all that, as usual, when we get there. Looks like a steel spring. Number 2, what's this? That's a damn good looking. Oh yeah, okay, that looks homemade. Nice and wicked. Cool, man. Cool, cool, cool. Badass. Okay. Now we're seeing some magic. Oh, look at a little spring. Ah! Ah! Alright. Oh yeah. Nice. That was 3. Little spring. Another different spring. Well done. Well played. So far so good. Oh yeah. T-pin or reduced. Yeah, it's a T-pin. Definitely. And that was, let's see, that was 4, so we're on 5. Yeah, let's keep going. Nice. Look at the freaking sharp top on that. Beautiful. Beautiful. A little spring. And last but not least, okay, this one was like that. It is serrated, but the serrations are down towards the on the spring end. I'm going to put it just how it came out, just like that, which is okay. It'll still change the feel, and I guess that's the whole point. Okay, let's see if there's any mods in here real quick. Pokey. Yep. Sure enough, threading in the first chamber. I think that's it. Yep, just the first one's threaded, and we could probably see that in the camera. Yep, right there. Nice, well played. Well played. Okay, let's see, bada boom, bada bing. I want this up here. We can put this on there. Come on up, maybe. A lot going on there. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. Like I said, Chris, it was an honor to try your first challenge lock, man. Seriously, badass. Okay, bring the camera down to get a nice close-up on these pins. Good enough. Alright, we'll go through this one quick because all the key pins are standard, 6 of them. Drivers, we got I think these are called barrel pins, if I'm right about that. Number 2 is this cool looking like conical cone-shaped spool combobulation, really cool, definitely worked good. 3, I'd call this a serration and a spool, a serrated and spooled, because this is definitely spool right there. That was 3. 4 is a T-pin. That may be, yeah, it doesn't look homemade, but it could be. But it's fine either way. T-pin. That was 4. So 5, we got this nice spool with a sharp end on it right there. Beautiful. Well made. And then 6 is this serrated pin. And it was in there like that. So, let me see. The first one was the threaded one, so this right here would probably work good in that and get caught in there. And then the springs do vary. It looks like we got, oh, it's not magnetic, looks metal, I don't know, but that's definitely copper or brass. Looks like metal, brass, metal. This looks like copper though. Anyways, they do vary, as you can see. Absolutely well done. Chris Capune, thank you so much. This was Chris Capune's number 1. Alright, Big Al signing out.